Hi everyone. In this video, um, we will discuss on regular expressions. So let me share my screen first. Okay, so our learning objectives for this lesson is first to define regular expressions. Second, write regular expressions of given regular languages. Third is to determine if a string can be derived from a given regular expression. And lastly, describe in plain English the language represented by a given regular expression. So languages can be described through a syntactic model called regular expression. This topic is usually applicable in programming input validations. For example, how will you validate the email entered by a user is in the correct format? Okay. And how does your program know that a user input on mobile or phone number text field is correct? So have you experienced this when filling out Google Forms or other sign up pages? So sometimes we get the error that our input is not in the correct format. So in those instances, they use regular expressions. So a regular expression denotes languages recursively defined from elementary components. Okay, so they are composed of elementary regular expressions. Um, these elementary regular expressions are from simple languages. And by combining these elementary components, they become composite regular expressions with larger languages. Okay? So formally, a regular expression over the alphabet sigma is either an elementary regular expression or a composite regular expression. So it's either of the two. So an elementary regular expression is one of the following. So this one, it's null set or the empty language. Then this one is the empty string. Okay? And this 1A, this represents a symbol. Okay? So a symbol of the alphabet denoting the language. Okay? This language which has only one string, which is the symbol A. So for each A, which is an element of the alphabet sigma. Okay? So example, we have here our sigma is equals um, A, B. So this is our alphabet. We can generate the following elementary regular expression. First, we can have the empty language. Then we can have the empty string. We can also have um, the language which has the symbol A. And lastly, the language which has the symbol B. Okay, so mo rin sila yung mga elementary regular expressions from this alphabet. Okay? Now, a composite regular expression, so it's if E sub 1 and E sub 2 are elementary regular expressions, so the composite regular expression is just a combination of different elementary regular expressions. So if we have E sub 1 and E sub 2 that are elementary regular expressions from the languages L sub 1 and L sub 2, the following regular are also regular expressions. So we can combine them using operators. Okay, so example, we have elementary regular expression 1 plus elementary regular expression 2. It's just the union of their languages. Okay, so mga union lang siya. Okay, then E sub 1 dot E sub 2, whose language is L sub 1, L sub 2. You notice this? This is a concatenation of um, languages. So if we find two regular expressions, elementary regular expressions that are operated by a dot operator, or just the side by side with another elementary regular expression, so it is just a concatenation of these two regular expressions. So, lastly, the E star or the clean star of an elementary regular expression is the language L, which is in clean star. Okay? Um, so our language represented by some regular expression is a regular language. It is also the language of several regular expressions. And by the definition of a language, so a regular language is a set of strings that are accepted by the regular expression. Okay, so we will have some examples here for our um, regular expressions. So for example, we have the alphabet sigma, which is composed of the symbols 0 and 1. So what are the elementary regular expressions that we can generate here? Okay? Kakaha. So we could have the empty language, the empty string, and 0, and lastly, 1. Okay? So notice na nagamit ko ari og braces. Since this is, okay, so ang elementary regular expressions are denoted also by a regular language. So we can, if i-convert nato siya nga language, no, into regular expressions, since these are languages, so just have the empty language, empty string, we can just have 0 and 1. So mao na siya iyahang regex ni siya or regular expression, kani siya ang language. Okay. Now, we have here some composite regular expressions. So this first regular expression is from the alphabet A, C, no? So this is from the alphabet A, C. So we have here A plus C. So when we say A plus C, unsa kaha nay pasabot ana? Unsa kahay language ani niya? So this is equal to the language A or C man na siya, A plus. So, di ba ang plus is that denotes the union. So, meaning we can have the symbol A as a string of this regular expression, or we could have C. Okay, so mo na siya language, ani nga regular expression. Now, C plus A. It is also A or unahon lang nato ang kuan. Unahon lang nato si Nahon lang din nato si C, then A. Okay? So, notice that since these are sets, so the arrangement does not matter. Okay? So, we can say na A plus C or C plus A is just equal na mga languages. Meaning, this operator na OR is commutative. Kay equal raman ang result nila na um, language. Okay? So, the union of languages or union of regular expressions is commutative. Okay? Now, we have here 0, then 1. What is the regular expression or what is the language of this regular expression? So, the language of this regular expression is just 0, 1. Okay, so 0, mo ni siya kanang naay symbol nga 0 no from the alphabet, okay? So kani siya sugod ani nga regular expression, ang alphabet niya ana is 0 ug 1. Okay, ang mga possible symbols. So 0, then 1, mao na siya gi-concatenate sila. Okay, di ba? 0 is an elementary regular expression. Then 1 is also an elementary regular expression. Gitapad sila, then they are concatenated. So the language of this regular expression is 0, 1. Okay? Next is 1 plus the empty string. 1 plus the empty string. So, kung mayon kag ug i-or gani na, it is just like 1 or the empty string. Or, so meaning, ang possible strings ani niya nga regular expression is 1 or the empty string. Dili pwede nga 1 empty string itapad. 1 or empty string na siya. Gi-or ni siya ang operator. Now we have here clean star. Kanina pod sa last. Okay, ato nang i-reason ng mga. Okay, ito i-reason. So we have here our clean star. Ana siya. Then, we also have inside the parentheses nga gi-concatenate. So, asa may unahon ani? Ang pag-concatenate or ang pag-clean star? So, unahon na to ang naasa sud sa ato ang parentheses. Okay, so what's inside the parentheses is concatenation. So, concatenate na to 0, 1. Then, usa pa siya i-clean star. Okay? So, unsa kay result ana? 0, 1 o niya i-clean star. So, the language of this is, before we get the language, ato sang i-try og generate og strings from this regular expression. So, kani nga mga strings 0, 1, pwede 0, 1, 0, 1. Kaya di ba ang clean star is murag kadaghanon nimo siya. Okay? Oh, since kani siya naka-concatenate man ni siyang 0, 1. So kadaghanon nimo nagsuwat. Okay, so any number or we can just have the empty string also. Okay, pwede di ba ang clean star is the empty string plus the all concatenations from this string. Okay, then 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, and so on and so forth. Basta kay kadaghanon nimo ang 0, 1. So that is Those are the strings that can be generated from this regular expression. Now, what do you think will be the language of this regular expression? Okay, we can just have the set builder notation for this one. So we have 0, 1 raised to the power of n such that n is greater or equal to 0. Okay? So, mo na siya ang language kani siya, ang language ani nga regular expression. Now, for this one, 0 plus 1, then gi-clean star. Again, we will evaluate first um what's inside the parenthesis. Okay? So, unsa may naa sa sud, this is the operator nga union or. Okay, so what strings can be generated from this regular expression? Okay? So example, we can have 0 no. Okay. So since gi-or man ni siya, pwede ka mo pili sa 0 or 1. Okay? Unya kay gi-star man siya, magbalik-balik kag pili ani nilang duha. So when we have this 0 or 1, mupili ka kada each time mupili ka og kay naka-clean star man so magbalik-balik ka kada step mupili ka sa 0 ba ka or 1. So kinaunhan how is ni pili kog 0, sunod 1, sunod 0, 0. Okay? I could also have unsa man. Pwede og wala ko'y gipili ani nilang duha. So that is the empty string. Okay, so di ba og clean star, it's the empty string and all the combinations sa string nga imuhang gi clean star. Okay? Next, pwede kag maingon og 0, pwede na ka maingon og 1. Okay? So what is the um, language of this um, regular expression? Using set builder notation, we can say that W is an element of sigma equals katong 0 ito lang ni erase one can say ano siya, the string is an element of the sigma star. Wherein our sigma star is, or our sigma or alphabet is, atong alphabet, di ba, is 0, 1. So, imo nang i-clean star, this is the regular expression for this. Kay, every time nga, mukuha ka og value aning sud, that is clean star man siya, so pwede ka kadaghan. So, any combination from the alphabet, sigma. Okay, that's why. Now, for the last regular expression here, we need to evaluate first what's inside the parenthesis. Okay? So, unsa may naa sa parenthesis una? Kani siya. Sunod, kanina pod. Sunod ani, so ang 0 or 1, gi-clean star. So, sunod ani, tapad man siya sa 0, So, concatenated. So, ang result are, i-concatenate sa 0. Then, ang result na pud ani, i-or sa empty string. Okay? So, what do you think is the language of this regular expression? So, first, ato sa lang kwaon ang mga strings nga ma-generate. So, what do you think? So, na to, unsa may ma-generate sa 0 plus 1. Pwede empty string, no? Empty string. Then, i-concatenate 0 or 1, then clean star, pwede empty string na siya. Then, i-concatenate sa 0, this 0. Unya, i-or sa empty string, what do you think? Pwede kag mukuha ka sa, so 0, i-concatenate sa empty string, it's just 0 ra na. So 0 or empty string, pwede kag 0, pwede empty string. Okay? Another string nga makuha nimo ani. Pwede ka og kaning 0 or 1, makuha ka og 1. 1, 1, 1, 0. Diba? This is just the clean star of our alphabet. Okay? Then, kana siya, i-concatenate na po nimo sa 0. So, 1, 1, 1, 0 plus 0, concatenated with 0 is 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. I-or na po nimo sa empty string. Okay? So, mag-or ka, meaning, pwede ka mukuha og empty string. Una naman tayo empty string dire. So, dili na tayo mukuhaan na. Kanina pa itong kaon. 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay? Next, mag-una ta dire na pod sa ato ang or, gi-or, or kaning gi-sigma star nga naka-or just the clean star of our alphabet. So, pwede ka maingon og 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay? Unya, i-concatenate na po nimo sa 0 array. Ayan na siya. 2, 3, 4, then 1, 1. Okay? So, napanay daghan nga string. But, try to look at this strings generated from this regular expression. Unsa may common nila? Okay? Do you think? So, getting the language for this, we have our set builder notation. Okay? We have this one is an element. The word is an element of sigma star or clean star sa atong alphabet such that, okay, natay such that, natay condition. This word is equal to the empty string. Okay, kaya di ba na may empty string? Or this one, the string begins with 0. Okay? So this W is just a representation of our string. So, nagpasabot ana nga W can be empty string or it begins with 0. Diba? Nagsugod og 0. Because of this concatenation dere na. Okay? Now, for the next slide. So, since using parentheses can be cumbersome, Di ba atong style ganina, what's inside the parenthesis will be operated first or evaluated first. So now we have our precedence of operators. So we can eliminate some parentheses by just using the precedence of operators. But sometimes, if we have to emphasize nga mao jud ni unahon, so we have here our parenthesis nga operation in which mao jud ni unahon, okay? So mao na jud na siya i-perform og una. So what's inside the parenthesis should be evaluated first. Second to our parenthesis operation is the clean star operation or this one. Okay? Mao na siya second highest. So after that, we have this dot operator or concatenation. So mo na third highest. And lastly, kaning union. Okay? So this one, plus ng operator. That means union. So mo na siya i-perform og last. Okay? And we have here an example. So kani siya mo ni ganina no nga atong example. It's just the same as this. Okay? So giuna ang naasod sa parenthesis, no? So first 0 is union with 1, mao ni siya. Kay naaman siya sa parenthesis. Then i-clean star ni siya. Okay, di ba ang clean star is the second highest. Then i-concatenate dayon ang kaninga 0. Okay? After that, di ba, ang second highest, third highest ang concatenation. And last is the union. Okay, ma'am, nga nung unahon man ni nga union, nga last man kaha ang union. Kani siya nga union, giuna na since naasod man siya sa parenthesis. Okay? So, I hope you understood. First operator nga unahon og evaluate is the parenthesis. Second is the clean star. Third is concatenation. And last is the union. Okay? Again, clean parenthesis, clean star, concatenation, and lastly, union. Okay. So now, how do we evaluate this regular expression? About this one. Okay, so first, we have, nahon na to ang, if, kuan gani siya no, kanang naay, maglibog mo nga asay unahon or kanang naay, tawag ana, naay same og operator. So, unahon ninyo ang gikan sa left. If tanaw ninyo nga same man silang operator, so asa may unahon nilang duha. So, unahon nimo ang naa sa left. Then, going to the right. So, do we have a parenthesis? Okay, so di ba highest man ang parenthesis? So, we have two, kanisiya o kanisiya. So, unahon, since pareha man sila nga parenthesis, unahon na to ang nasa left, which is AB. Then, second na si D plus F. Okay? Then, sa isunod. Sunod ni parenthesis is clean star, right? So, daghan man tag clean star diri na ay AB clean star o C clean star. So, unahon na to ang naa sa left na pod. So, ang kani nga AB, mahimo na siyang AB clean star. Sunod, we have C star. Then, after that, star. Clean star. So, gikan sa parenthesis, then clean star, then we have concatenation. So, our concatenation here is, nanamtay A, C star, no? So, gi-concatenate si, kani nga AB, dili na ta mo concatenate balik, kay nanaw na siya diri una. Kay gisud man siya parenthesis. So, ari na ta ni, C star, i-concatenate sa naas number 2. CD plus F. Okay? So, nag-concatenate na sila. Lastly, sa may last, i-or na pod si kaning number 3 o number 5. So, that is AB star plus C star D plus F. Okay? So, mo na siya. Bali, giuna ni, sunod kani, sunod, gistar ang kani, then, ang C star na pod, star, then, i-concatenate niya, ani, then, lastly, i-union sila. Okay? Okay, so let's clear this one. Yeah. Sige, ato na lang ingana. Then we'll just write here sa side. Okay, so how do we generate string? So we have AB, no? So AB. So magsuwatag AB here. Sorry. A, B. Then, we also write para sa number 1, ano? Then, para sa number 2, we can write F. Then, number 3, i-clean star ang number 1. So, we can just have empty string or naka-clean star man siya. Pwede tamo yung A, B, A, B. A, B, A, B. Right? Number 4, we can have C star. Okay, so we can have C star. Pwede kadaghan no ang C. C, C, C. Then, number 5 is kaning C star, which is coming from number 4. So, ato isuwat diri C, C, C. C, C, C. Then, kaning D or F. Okay? Nipili man ta diri sa number 2 og F. So, i-concatenate na to diha F. And lastly, number 6, i-or nimo si kanisiya og katong AB star kana. So magpili ra ka na nilang duha. So we can have AB, AB. So ang string dayon nga na-generate is AB, AB. Okay? So going back from this 1 to 5, pwede kag sa number 6 na po nimo is C, 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 F. So we can have here C, 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 F. Okay? So we're just going from 1 to 5, then decide na pod unsa ang kanang naay mapili. Kay since ang number 6 is i-or maninimo ang A, B. So ang number 3 ug number 5. So ang result nila ana mao nay imong mabutang diri sa ato ang set sa atong strings or the language of this regular expression. Okay, so I think we can have as many strings as our string for our regular expression here since kani siya naka-star man infinite ni siya kani ang AB star as well as C star. So infinite na sila. So bahalag imong kuan. So kintahay na magsugod na putas number 1. We can have number 1 kay empty string, number 2 kay D or F. So sa D or F pili kintay kog D. Number 3 is AB star, pwedeng empty string na. Kanya. Number 4, C star, empty string, kintahay na. 5 is C star. O niya, i-concatenate sa D or F. So, ang D or F na to kaning number 2, no? O niya, ang C star kaning number 4. So, i-concatenate mo sila. That is D. Okay? So, an empty string, i-concatenate nimo og any symbol, ang katong symbol ang mogawas. Then, number 6, mupili ka ni either number 3 or number 5. Pili kintahi ko ni number 5. Okay, so, wala siya diha. Or, pili kintahi ko ni number 3, empty string na po. Okay? So, we can have an empty string as a string of this regular expression. So, daghan pa na siya, no? So, I challenge you to generate some more strings from this regular expression sa pakahilain. Okay? Now, so we have more examples here. So, how about, arin na lang ta sa katong canvas. Okay, so how about this regular expression? 0 star 1. So, what sample strings can be derived from this regular expression? Since gistar man niya, okay? So, every time makikita mo regular expression, you start from parenthesis. Then we have clean star, then concatenation, and lastly, or. Okay, so mo na siya arrangement jud sa pag-evaluate. So, first, since there is no parenthesis here, mudritso ta sa clean star. So, we can have 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay? Then, next is concatenate. So, i-concatenate dayon na to si 1. Okay, so this one is a string of this regular expression. Another, we can have empty string, right? Then, 1, which is equal to just 1. So, ato i-add 1. And we can also have 0, just 0, then 1. So, 0, 1. And then we can have 0, 0, then 1. 0, 0, 1. Okay, so what have you noticed from our regular set of strings from this regular expression? So we can denote this using a set builder notation, which is our language is 0 to the power of n, then 1, such that n is greater or equal to 0. So, mo na siya ato ang language ana. So, pasabot, in English, these are all strings, okay, over alphabet equals 0, 1, or the binary alphabet that start starts with um, any number of zeros. Any number of zeros followed by 1. Okay, so this is the English description of this regular expression. Okay, next, how about 1, 0, then 1, 0, star. Okay, so we have here a um, two regular expressions in different parentheses. Okay, so since maguna matas parentheses, no? So, pwede kag unahon ni mo ning naa sa left. So, we have here 1, 0. Okay. Next, we could also have, since 1, 0, a clean star, we can have 1, 0. So, after that, after sa clean star, we have concatenation. So, 1, 0, 1, 0, that results to 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay. Then, we start here with 1, 0 na pod, no? Then, if i-clean star natin ning ikaduha, nga parenthesis, we can have the empty string. So, after that, after sa clean star, we have concatenation. So, 1, 0 plus empty string, concatenated with empty string is just 1, 0. Right? Another. Start with this, 1, 0 na pod. Then, clean, 1, 0, a clean star is 1, 0, 1, 0. So, we have 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay? Next, we could have 1, 0 na pod. Then, kani kay duha man to, no? So, pwede tag tulo kintahay. So, itapad na lang nato daan. 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4 na daan. Kaya na may isa daan ka 1, 0. Okay, so having these strings, we can check the pattern. So these are 1, 0 to the power of n, right? So, makintahin niya itong language, 1, 0 to the power of n such that n is greater than 0. Or we can say n is greater or equal to 1. So, yeah. Okay? So, that's our language for this regular expression. So, what could be the English description of this language? That is all strings over the sigma equals 0, 1 or the binary alphabet and alternating ones. Okay, di ba? Alternating ones and zeros. Di ba? Sa imantayan. Una 1, then 0, 1, 0. Okay? So, start siya 1 and it always ends with a 0. Okay? So, these are strings nga from the binary alphabet and alternating ang ones and zeros and nag-start siya og 1 and ends with 0. Okay? So, another example here. To have another example. 0 plus 1. Then 1, 1, 1. And 0 plus 1. Okay. So, unsaon ka na siya nato, no? Okay, so let's apply the precedence sa ato ang operators kay para dili ta maglibog. So, let's try here. Number 1, we look for parentheses, right? So, our parentheses here is kani siyang kinaunhan and this one. So, since naa may duha, unahan nato ang nasa left. So, this one, 0 plus 1. Then, number 2 is 0 plus 1 gihapon, no? Kani siya. Then, number 3, we have the, sa man, kani, iyahang clean star. So, clean star sa atong number 1 is 0 plus 1 star. Yeah. Number 4. Clean star gihapon. O, kanina pod. So, clean star sa ato ang number 2. Then, next is, sunod sa clean star is concatenation. So, unsa may i-concatenate og una? Okay, since gatapad man ni siya og kani siya, unahon na to ang left, then next ni, then kani. Kay pareha man sila nga concatenation, kani, unya, kani. So, unahon na to si left. So, this one, 3, no? 3. So, ato ning tawag ana. Clean star sa daan siya. Okay? So, 0, 1 plus 1. 0 plus 1, i-clean star. Sunod, 1, 1, 1. Usa ka mag 0 plus 1 clean star. Okay? So, what's the essence of this? Atong i-try o evaluate. So, number 1, kintahay. Mag-evaluate ta sa number 1. 0 or 1. So, mapili kintahay tag 1. Then, number 2, mapili kintahay ta og 0. Then, number 3, mapili ta. Okay. So, kaning number 3, this is from number 1 man, no? So, ato nang star ang atong napili sa 1. So, we can have 1, 1, 1. Okay? Any combination man sa 1. The number 4, this is from number 2. So, ato nang star ang number 2. So, napili diri kay 0 man. So, 0, 0 kintahay. Okay? Number 5 is i-concatenate na dayon si kaning number 3, number 4, unya, no, number 3, then kani, then number 4. So, it's like, number 3 una, no? 3 is 1, 1, 1. Diba? Kaya ang 3, gikan na sa 1, so gi-clean star na to, any number of 1s. Then, 1, 1, 1, then 1, 1, 1 na pun. Kay para ani nga 111. Then, i-concatenate na pod si 4 is 0, 0. Okay, so this one is a string of this regular expression. Kung ibalik og suwat, 0 plus 1 star 111, then 0 plus 1 star. Okay, another string. Mag-generate na po taglaing string. Number 1. So, pili tas 1 or 0. O, pili na po ta sa 1. Ani na po, pili na po ta sa 1. 1 o 0 namang gihapon eh. Yeah, number 3, i-clean star na to ang 1. Diba? Gi-clean star na to ang gipili sa number 1. So, 1 na to napili, no? So, pwede ta maingon og 1. Anya, number 4. I-clean star na to ang naa sa number 2. Pwede ka maingon 1, 1. Then, number 5. Unahon ni mo si number 3. So, 1 na siya. Then, kaning 111. 111. And lastly, number 4, which is 1, 1. So, mao na dayon ni ato ang string. Okay? So, unsa kaha ni siya ang mga strings nga naa aning sa naa ani nga regular expression. So, we generate more here. 1. So, number 1, kay pwede ta maingog 0. Number 2, pwede ta maingog 1. Kay 0 or 1 man. Then, number 3, atong i-star si number 1. So, ang i-star na to, kaning 0. Pwede ta maingog empty string. Number 4, pwede ta maingon og. So, ang number 4 kay star sa number 2. Pwede ka maingog empty string gihapon. Kay clean star man na. O, number 5, empty string, then 111, then empty string. It's just equal to, o man eh siya, empty string man eh. Pwede na ka maingog 111. Okay. Sige, we generate more strings pa. Can have 0, then 1, then number 3, clean stars sa 0 is pwede kang maingog 0, 0, 0. Number 4, clean stars sa 1, we can have sorry. We can have clean star man sa dili man siya ma-erase. Ano lang. Clean star sa ato ang number 2. So, 1, 1 kintahay. Then, number 5. So, magsugutas number 3. 0, 0, 0. Then, 1, 1, 1. Then, 1, 1. Okay, so kaning 0, 0, 0, mao ni gikan diri no. Kaning 1, 1, 1, mao ni siya kani siya. Then, 1, 1, this 1. Okay, so this is our final string. Okay, so what have you noticed with our strings? So, if we have something like this, nga matung-an bitaw siya, kani kay sigma star man no, meaning any string, kani pod siya, sigma star pod. So, any string. Unya, natung-an siya. So, that means, kani pwede man ni empty string, pwede po ni empty string. So, that means, kaning 111 dire, di dyan na mawa sa imong string. So, pwede ka moingon nga, akong balikon og suwat ha, 0 plus 1, then 1, 1, 1, 0 plus 1, sigma star. Okay. So, our language for this and regular expression is W, an element of sigma star. Atong sigma no kay the binary alphabet man, such that W has 3 consecutive ones. Or naa siya'y substring nga W has 111 as substring. Okay? So, maunay ato ang language. Okay? So, this is the description of this regular expression. Okay? So, I hope that you have understood, and in the next video, we will have more examples for regular expressions.